Staying safe on the road is a priority for drivers, and when you're on a motorcycle, you have to be hyper aware. The husband and wife law team specialize in protecting you. Mark and Alexis Breyer are here with more. Thank you both so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. Let's talk about motorcycle safety. You guys do focus a lot on that. Why did you decide to do that?
I think it probably came from the fact that we spent so many years helping people who had been hurt very often, because it's common when all of us are on the road, we're used to looking for cars. We get out there, we can get in the habit of just looking for cars. And the number of times people are at an intersection and they turn left and hurt someone on their motorcycle. And we started learning about how much we might be able to help people avoid that with training and safety and awareness classes. And I think that's probably really what drove us to do that.
Yeah, and so now you have this course. Tell me more about the course. This is just the second one that you guys have done.
We had such a great response from the first one that we were approached to do a second one. So we said, we'll do it.
Yeah.
And it's fantastic. It is, in addition to what we've done to try to create awareness to prevent incidents, what happens when someone comes up on the scene of a terrible collision, EMS is not there yet, what could all of us do? And it's a way to train people, particularly those on motorcycles who are most likely to see a motorcyclist go down, maybe help save a life. It's a great course. We love it.
Yeah, and you guys were recently at the state fair. I know that supporting AMSAF. Tell me more about that and what you guys did there.
AMSAF is probably, in fact, I'd say it is now, by far one of the most successful motorcycle safety and awareness foundation organizations anywhere in the country.
Really?
It's based here in Arizona.
Right here.
It's been fantastic. And the Governor's Office of Highway Safety has been phenomenal as a partner. And we have probably helped train enough people that otherwise would not have gotten training, that we have probably almost certainly saved many lives and helped motorists avoid being involved in those collisions. So it's a fantastic organization. We're proud to just be able to support them.
Courses are really expensive, and the AMSAF helps people who want to take the courses to be able to take them. So
yeah, and you guys haven't stopped there. You wanted to throw a newsletter into the mix too. You have the newsletter right here. Tell me more about that and what we can learn with the newsletter.
We have a motorcycle newsletter that just focuses on safety, events coming up, new products that are coming out,
and a little bit about our family. Always a little bit about our crazy kids.
We like it. Well, you guys do have a few kids, right?
And we do. They're not allowed to ride motorcycles yet. Yeah. Most of them don't even drive, so.
They're little enough. But it is good to have just like an update on what's happening, maybe what's new with the law and the aspect or accident safety or courses that you guys are doing.
Exactly.
The number of people we have met who have ridden their entire lives, but they don't know some of the laws. They obviously know the basics, they know what they're doing, but there's so many nuances in the law that a newsletter that helps keep people up to date it's helpful for them, and in all honesty, it's fun for us.
And the book too. Tell me about the book.
Thousands and thousands of these books have gone out. Fortunately, the vast majority are not people who have been involved in a collision, thank goodness. It's people who say, I want to ride, I know someone who wants to ride, what are the laws? And it's great to be able to give real information to people at no cost. It's just a way to say, hey, look, if you're going to be out there riding, you have a loved one riding, get a copy of the book and learn what's out there.
Okay, we had talked earlier about your children, and of course you deal with a lot of teachers every day because you are parents, and you do always make sure that you appreciate the teachers, and you did it again. You did it last month, you did it again. Tell me about the teacher appreciation. It was a big hit, and who won?
We are probably 4 or 5 years into doing this. Lee DeRimo, who's a phenomenal teacher, and we got to show up and surprise him. He got to be on billboards all over the valley.
Yeah,
he got a $250 gift card, and the class went nuts for an amazing teacher who deserves the recognition.
It's so great to see. Congrats to him. Tell me about your free workplace food raffle.
We just do this just for fun. Anytime we're at an event or at a client appreciation event that we put on, anything that we do, we always have a raffle. And so we just thought, oh, how much fun to surprise people and do a lunch. It's a lot of fun.
It's a great way to brighten someone's day. They throw something, you put your card in the raffle, you're not going to win. All of a sudden, here comes the husband and wife law team with food for everyone at work. It's just a fun way to brighten people's day.
Absolutely.
You don't have to go out.
Yeah, exactly. We like that. You know what? For more information about anything we talked about, talked about today. It's so easy to learn more. All you have to do is go online, go to husbandandwifelawteam.com or call the number on your screen.